Experiments are one of those things that you need to do very regularly so that you can constantly test different things to see if it works. When you expand the campaigns, you'll be able to see this experiments feature. So what you need to do, let's say you got an existing campaign, it's a search campaign, click over to experiments, click the plus button, you're going to select a custom experiment. You're then going to click search. And so you might test, let's say, max conversions versus max clicks, something super simple like that. And then in the description, you might say, I'm just testing whether or not maximize conversions will beat maximize clicks. Okay, so that's going to then add in there. Base campaign. It selects the base campaign to duplicate. So we might select this one, all services. For the treatment name, the treatment is basically what is the new one called? Like what's the new campaign that you're testing against? So this might be max clicks. So it's very clear that we know it's going to be max clicks. And then you've got the base campaign, which you assume is going to be like max conversions by default. And then we click save and continue. And then from there, it's going to be showing you the max clicks version and say, well, what do you want changed? Click on the cog button for the settings. And then I select the bidding. And then all I do is change that to what I want. So maybe I want to test max clicks. And that's the only thing I change. Don't change anything else. Don't change headlines and all that kind of stuff because then it's not a true test. I then go schedule. And then it's going to ask me what metrics do I deem successful. I want to see conversions and conversions value. And I want to make sure that these increase. So I would keep it as 50%. Most case duration, I would usually do 14 days minimum. But obviously the longer, the better in terms of you're going to collect more data. It's just depending on how much budget you're putting behind this thing. And so enable sync, that is fine. So click create experiment. And so from here, you just wait. That's what I recommend anyway when you're setting up your experiment.